Hi everyone, I'm Irish.
And I'm Nash. Welcome to
Brighture Recommends,
a new segment where we recommend
Of
materials or resources that you can use to study English on your own.
Yep, and today we'll be sharing our movie recommendations. In this video, we chose movies from a studio that has mastered the art of storytelling. That is, of course, Pixar.
Pixar is world famous for its animation, but for English learners, it's a gold mine for natural dialogue, clear pronunciation, and essential idioms.
Yes. So today we asked our fellow Brighture teachers to choose their top 3 Pixar movies that they believe are great for English learners like yourselves. And these were their topics.
But before that, please don't forget to check out our website, brighture-edu.com.
Yes, and take advantage of our free trial lesson and assessments. And of course, if you register and book today, Nash and I will be giving you a discount, won't we, Nash?
Definitely.
Yes. So grab that opportunity. Check out our website at brighture-edu.com.
Let's go.
So number 1 on the list, according to the teachers, is Inside Out.
Apparently.
Yes. You don't look happy. Why?
I'm not really a fan of this movie.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Have you watched it though?
Snippets. I've watched a lot of snippets of it on TikTok.
Okay. For me, I watched the movie twice. Yeah, it's a very good material for those who want to learn English because you will learn vocabulary in how
About emotions.
Yeah, about emotions, how to express yourself. So, of course, you have the starring, the characters, the main characters. We have sadness, we have joy, anger. Who else? Fear, scared, disgust. Disgust. Then we have Inside Out too as well.
And then more emotions.
Yeah, and then more emotions coming, of course. Why did teachers recommend this? Why do you think, Nash, based on the snippets that you've watched on TikTok?
I think with our time today, mental health is discussed comfortably in public.
Okay.
So I think that's the main reason, because we are now more vocal about our emotions. This movie hits home.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now we're in a very serious topic. Okay, tell me more, Nash.
As if I watched the movie. Yeah, it's good because you can learn a lot of words that talk about our feelings, emotions, and it also reminds viewers that it's okay to be emotional regardless of our gender. It's not my top pick only because it's not actually very understandable for all ages.
Yeah.
Specifically for very young
Kids.
yeah.
Or English learners.
English learners. So you'll need to have a basic command of the language to be able to really grasp the message of the movie. That's my take.
That's on a deeper level, right? But for me, though, I think kids can watch this movie mainly because the emotions are portrayed by a character. So Joy, there's a character named Joy. So that's very easy to remember if I'm a kid who's trying to learn English. So that's Joy, happy face.
Yeah.
Then you have Sadness, who's crying all the time and is always blue. Then you have Disgust, who's green and hates broccoli. So it's like a visual for children. They appreciate, or rather they stick to movies or learning materials that look nice.
Yeah.
And Inside Out is one of those. So for what you mentioned, for the deeper level, yes, intermediate, upper intermediate learners can really learn a lot from this movie, learn a lot of English words, and also regarding topics about mental health and adjusting, family dynamics and stuff like that. But for kids, you have the visual aspect, you have the simple words as well, and then they get to They get to watch Riley, the little girl who stars in Inside Out. They get to watch Riley's childhood and then express love, how she expresses love to her parents, how she expresses anger to her parents, stuff like that. So it's good for both kids and adults.
So the visuals help.
Yeah, help a lot. Okay, moving on to the next one. The next movie is not really my cup of tea, but well, Brighture teachers recommend it. This movie is Toy Story.
Yeah.
Have you watched Toy Story?
Yes.
Which one? The first one?
All 5 movies. Yeah.
The 5th one is already out?
Yes, and I just watched it last week.
Oh, so you can say a lot about this.
Not a lot.
Well, personally, I'm saying it's not my cup of tea because I haven't watched a single
Toy Story movie. That explains.
Yeah, because I watched all the trailers though, and I feel like this movie is such a tearjerker, and I'm such a crybaby for movies like that. So I avoid those kinds of movies. I don't want to cry, so that's why I don't watch it. Now, tell me what's the story.
Actually, Inside Out is more emotional.
It's more emotional?
Yeah, it's more of a tearjerker than Toy Story.
Really?
Yeah, that's my honest reaction.
So,
Impression.
why did Brighture teachers choose Toy Story?
Because it's actually very good. No
In
other
what
adjectives.
sense is it? Convince me so that I would want to watch it.
From the title, it seems like it's only about toys, but when you watch it, it contains a lot of stories. Stories about each of the toys, story about the owner of the toys, the different owners of the toys.
Hence, Toy Story.
Hence Toy Story. So it contains a lot of stories.
So, as an English learner, what can I learn from the movies, the franchise?
Toy vocabulary.
Such as?
Such as Buzz Lightyear. No, seriously, the transition. Yeah, you can learn a lot of things also. For example, you can learn to infinity and beyond.
What does that mean?
It means to...
We'll put the meaning here or somewhere here. Yeah.
to go to reach greater heights.
To reach greater
Yeah.
heights.
Go for the unreachable star. Yes, it's a song actually.
That's a very famous line, right? To,
To
infinity and beyond.
yeah.
Buzz Lightyear made it famous because of that movie.
Yes.
So aside from that, aside from the story, from the vocabulary, what else can English learners learn from this?
It contains plenty of household words.
Household words? Like what?
Household words? What the hell is household? Household objects, you mean?
Household objects, yeah.
Okay.
Like bed,
Of course.
bed, couch.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is good for kids.
Kids.
Yeah.
Right.
Like nursery, kindergarten,
Yes,
trying to
elementary.
learn those household objects in English.
Yeah.
So they learn what a bed is, they learn what a toy
Chair
is,
is,
what
yeah.
a chair is.
Yes. And for teens, they can learn about friendship.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's about friendship as well.
So Toy Story can be watched by any
Almost all ages.
all ages.
Yeah.
Even because you're an adult, you watch Toy Story 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. And I love it.
Yeah. How about the dialogues?
The dialogues, the pacing is moderate.
It's moderate.
So it's good for beginner to intermediate students, learners. Yeah.
Okay.
Not so fast.
Okay. That's good. Thank you, Nash.
Yes.
So let's move on to the
the
next
third one.
Third one. The third spot actually is a tie between Finding Nemo
And up.
Now, why is it a tie?
We don't know why it's a they chose it.
But let's
Talk about.
Let's talk about it. Finding Nemo.
I love Finding Nemo.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I love Finding Nemo. I love Dory. I love Dory. Just keep swimming,
Yeah.
you know?
It's also an eventful movie. Yeah. That's all.
I hated Dory at first because I didn't know.
She's annoying.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she was annoying at first because she always repeats what she says. She has this illness. Is she sick? I think maybe, I don't know. But yeah, she was annoying at first. But then later on in the movie, I came to like her character because she, in my personal point of view, she taught me that we have to be persistent. If we are persistent, we can achieve our goals, we can achieve our dreams, we can do whatever we want. Similar with studying English. Because some of our students, when they fail at some point, they stop, they give up, they think, oh, I can never do this, I can never learn English, blah, blah, blah. But if you're like Dory, who
keeps going.
Yes, just keep swimming, you know, just even if she's such an annoying character at first, she showed us that she was able to help her friend. What's the name of the clownfish that was looking for Nemo? Marlin.
Marlin.
Thank you, director.
That's Nemo's dad.
Yeah, so she helped Marlin. Yeah.
I didn't expect we can learn something from Dory.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah.
Dory is such a
helpful character.
She's helpful, but Dory is Dory.
Yeah, but she also has her own movie as well.
What, Finding Dory?
Yeah, Finding Dory.
Finding Dory?
Yeah, that's just how iconic she is.
Oh.
Yeah, that's...
Have you watched Finding Dory?
No.
Yeah.
I've just eaten Dory.
Fish. Well, anyways, on a serious note, vocabulary that we can learn from this movie are asking for directions.
Yeah.
Like English Survival 101.
Yes.
So asking for help, asking for directions. Because, of course, the story revolves around Marlin looking for his son, which is Nemo.
Yeah.
So, of course, they travel the world, go to many places, meet different nationalities, creatures or nationality. So expect to hear a lot of different accents in the movie as well. So you would hear Australian accent, you would hear European accents. So as an English learner watching Finding Nemo, you'll be exposed to different accents. So you'll be able to recognize which is which and maybe understand some of them if you repeat the movie.
Yes. What's the next one?
The next one, or in tie with Finding Nemo, is Up.
Yeah.
I love Up.
I love it too.
I watched it twice, I think. But I think...
It's a tearjerker as well.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's such a tearjerker, but I watched it anyways. At first, or in the first few minutes of the movie, there's no dialogue, right?
Yeah.
It's just... what do you call that? Yeah, visual. There's a story. You get to learn the story and everything. So it's good practice for learners to read nonverbal cues. And then the story starts. So Up, you've watched this, of course.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the story of Up?
Story about a couple.
Okay.
Yeah, they started as... friends, very good friends. They want to go on an adventure, and because they see eye to eye on their dream, so they kind of clicked and married eventually. And then when they got married, they lived a happy life. Until the woman got sick.
Okay.
And the woman got sick, eventually died. That's where we all cried. And they were not able to fulfill their dream, their ultimate dream to live. Where was that place?
To go see a waterfall or something?
No, they want to live in a specific area.
Somewhere, okay.
Yes. And then that was their ultimate dream. And that's when the real adventure began. Because the man wanted to fulfill that dream for her wife alone. But then he met fellow adventurers.
What's the name of the kid? Guys, help us out.
What's the name of the kid?
What's the name of the kid?
Was it Russell?
Russell. Okay,
Yeah,
Russell.
It's Russell. Yeah.
So he met Russell.
Russell, a dog, and a big bird.
Yeah. And they went on an adventure.
Yeah, they went on.
So this is kind of similar to Finding Nemo, where they go to different places, ask for directions, meet a lot of creatures, people, and stuff. So again, you can still learn a lot of survival English 101 in this movie. And also when it comes to tone?
Yeah.
Because there's a dialogue is mostly between
Carl,
Carl.
the old man, and Russell,
Russell,
the
kid.
young boy.
Yeah. So, of course, old men speak slower. Old men speak slower than kids. So there's a distinction with that. You can practice or train your ear to listen to someone speaking at a lower pace and someone speaking at a much faster pace.
Yeah.
What can we say about the list today, our movie recommendations? First, I believe that all English learners can really learn something from the movie recommendations that we mentioned. So we mentioned what?
Inside Out, Toy Story, Finding Nemo, and Up.
So all of these four, all Pixar movies are great, but these four, Brighture teachers recommended it because we believe that this is truly helpful for you if you're learning English. Not just for beginners or those who are just starting to learn the language, but even for those that are higher, upper intermediate, even advanced students. Nash and I watch these movies a lot. So sometimes we even learn new vocabulary or idioms. Right, Nash?
Yes. That we can use in
regular conversation.
Yes.
No, that we can apply. So every time we watch a movie and then we
learn something.
Yeah,
we
apply. Correct.
Yeah. I think that's my takeaway. I just realized it a few seconds
You just
ago.
grabbed my takeaway.
Pick it up.
Yeah.
So my takeaway is when you learn something new in a movie or in a song or whatever,
yeah.
entertainment, you apply it. You apply it in real life. So when I learn something, for example, a vocabulary, a new word from a movie, I actually use it with my friends, and then they tell me, ooh, big word, right? And then I say, right? So that's what I do. So my advice to students is when you learn a new word, you use it outside the class, not only in that specific class or in other classes. You use it in conversations.
Yep.
Yes.
Use it towards your family, your friends, anyone you meet, your teachers especially. So yeah.
But don't watch everything all at once.
If they can, why not?
Information overload.
Information overload. Yeah.
So it's difficult as well.
Yes.
So there you have it. Which movies will you watch today?
Yes, start where you're comfortable, then challenge yourself as you improve.
Right, because learning English doesn't always mean textbooks. Sometimes it just means pressing play.
Yes, but remember, watching is only half the work. To truly master English, you need to practice. And, of course, Brighture is ready to help you with that.
And the first step is signing up for a free trial lesson and assessment at brighture-edu.com.
Correct. If you found this helpful, let us know which movie or what movie you like in the comment section below.
That's it. See you in the next video.
Bye.